Shalom, shalom, Yasha'Allah. First and foremost, I want to give honor and glory to Yahweh, by Hashem Yahweh Shai. It's your brother Arie. Just back with a quick video. This video is just to put it out there. I'm basically looking for new study partners to build myself in the spirit. Also, someone that I can also help. Maybe we can work together. As you can see on the actual video, Proverbs 27:17, and it reads, "Iron sharpeneth iron, so a man sharpeneth the countenance of his friend." Right? So if you're part of the nation of Israel, hit me up at my email at brotherarie00@gmail.com. brotherarie00@gmail.com. Right? In Joshua 1:8, he says, "This book of the law shall not depart from thy mouth," man. Right? You're supposed to be constantly studying. You're supposed to be, constantly building yourself. Right? And this video for me is more of an, accountability is very big when you're doing the Most High's work. Right? You always want to be around brothers that are always encouraging or that are always pushing you to do more for the Most High, man. Right? You're not supposed to be around brothers that are not doing that. Right? So I've been very big on that, and I know that you're not always gonna have time to do it, but whenever we can do it. If I do find a few study partners, we'll get on a call or on the video chat, whatever it takes, man, and keep building ourselves, right? But anyways, that's primarily what this video is for. So if you are interested, please email me, all right, at brotherarie00@gmail.com. I'm also on Facebook. You can search me on Facebook, and you can also send me a friend request on there. All right, just mention that it's for study partnership. Okay, but anyways, that's all this video is about. It's a quick short video. Like I said, it's more for someone that is looking to study and like I said, just build himself up, man. All right. With that, all honor and praises to Yahweh by Hashem Yahweh Shai. All right. With that, shalom.